Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And guess what? Today is harvest day. So you have seen me plant my yams, and now you'll be seeing me harvest and selling it to the export company. So stay tuned. I just want to thank everyone so far for supporting me, who have been watching my videos and have been supporting me. So today is harvest day, and these yams have been in the ground for approximately 12 months. That's a year. Some are bigger than some, and my husband is helping me to reap because I am pregnant. You'll see me soon later on in the video getting down. So basically, we learned a lot in harvesting the yams. We found out that some of the yam hills weren't dug properly. So therefore, instead of being able to just hold the yam out and just shake it out of the earth, we had to delicately scoop around the yams until the dirt was loosened, until we could take out the yams. So basically, we dug that big hole around the yams, big enough space, so to ensure that we wouldn't cut the yams, because when you're selling yams to the export company, they want the yams uncut. You see me? So that's what we did. Dug a huge space around the yams and we dug deeper and deeper and down until the yam got freed up. So the farmer who we got to dig the yam hills, he didn't do it good. But there's a video that shows how to dig yam hill the proper way, and you can check out that link. Alright, so see me here now with my pregnant self after digging, and you finally find out that hey, the yam loosen up. So you see the big area you have to dig out to ensure that you don't damage the yam and the yam can come up safely. So wow, this is beautiful. So we have a beautiful piece of yam right here, and we're going to cut off the head and leave the yam body. Yeah. So I was telling my brother was there as well, helping us to harvest. You're going to cut off right there, cut off the yam head from the yam, so you can see now the yam vine, the yam head, and the yam itself. And we're going to replant the yam head to get more yams. So basically, the yam head is the yam seed that springs more yam. And some yams were bigger than this, some were smaller, but we got to film this one, so we're showing you. Wow, look at that, beautiful. So that's a big yam head there. Yeah man, this felt good. Look at that. My handsome brother right there, me being 7 months pregnant but harvested. So after we harvested everything, this is everything. We packed it up in our car and we went straight to the export company. And so this is how it goes at the export company. You have someone that comes out and cleans off all the excessive dirt before it is weighed, and he cuts off just a slight top of the yam, I guess, to see that the yam is good, Yeah, so it turns out we know the person who was cleaning up our yams to be weighed. He is a community member and he usually buys egg from us. Yeah, he used to buy eggs from us, so it was a blessing to see somebody that we knew working at the yam export company. Yeah, so he cleaned up the yams for us and then he carried them to be weighed, and everything came up to approximately 120.2 pounds, everyone. And remember, this is only half of my farm, so give God thanks. So after the yams are weighed, they're carried and they're washed, and then they're further processed. So this is how it basically looks at the front of a yam export company. Yeah, so they're washed, then cut again, then weighed, and then probably packaged. I want to just thank everybody for watching from the start of digging to planting, and stay tuned for more videos.